Well, I have no formal training in the art of cooking prison food. What I'm actually going to do is see if I can take it to the next level where it might be something you could actually prepare for the holidays, serve to your family, and make them think you got some kind of gourmet meal going on, all for about $1 a person. Could work, might not. Let's go take a look, see what we can do. Top ramen seems to be the friend of the incarcerated and the main ingredient to most prison food. I'm going to start off with one of the simplest, but I am going to use the luxuries of being at home and using actual boiling water in a pan, as opposed to sticking two open-ended wires plugged into an electrical socket into water. I honestly don't really have the balls to do that. And seeing as though my house does have GFCI protected outlets, not sure it would actually work. So I'm going with the luxuries of home. I got a microwave, I got a stove, I got a pan and clean water, so I'm gonna do that. Right now I got 2 cups of water boiling. I'm gonna put in my top ramen noodles and we'll get that going and we'll see what we can come up with. So I have my 2 cups of boiling water. Gonna put my ramen noodles in there minus the seasoning packet. Not gonna use the seasoning packet that comes with it. It says cook for 3 minutes. We'll do that. And from what I understand in prison, we save this for something else. 3 minutes in, our noodles should be boiled. Gonna transfer them to my bowl without water. To my noodles, I'm gonna add a couple spoonfuls peanut butter. Stir that up. It's not looking so tasty thus far. Get some sriracha or whatever your favorite hot sauce is. Squirt a little on there. To take it up the next level, some chopped green onions and a few peanuts. Crush them up a little bit if you can. Sprinkle those over the top. I don't know. And we'll give our prison pad thai a shot. It's a little sticky. Maybe I went with too much peanut butter. You can taste the ramen. And the green onions just add that little bit. I'm just kidding, this sucks. Actually, it's not too bad. Be a nice little afternoon snack if you're in college, you're on a budget, if you're unemployed. I mean, that's like less than $1 a person right there, and it's really not too bad. The sriracha, we could probably do a little more sriracha. It's actually kind of good. Quick, easy, cheap, and fancied up with the green onions and the peanuts. It's not bad. You know what? Eat this. Be sure to subscribe, share it with your friends, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, tell us what you think. Click the little enable notifications bell. Try yourself some prison pad thai when you get a chance. It's kind of good. Serve it for the holidays, see what your guests think.